down, go down, go down. Let me see you go to town, babe. Go down, go down, go down. Doja, where the hell you going now?
Yeah.
Go down, go down, go down. Doja, but I am not white. What's good, guys? It's your boy Mr. Ish.
And it's your boy Nagedi, y'all.
And we're back with another video. Hey, I come with a heavy heart on today's video, guys. My crush, my biggest crush in the whole entire universe, Miss Doja Cat,
Meow.
is in some very, very hot water in the States. And I just thought as a, as her husband and as a South African, that I should go ahead and see what's going on here and address this situation with my homie. We got a video here.
Yeah.
That apparently
She said some supremacist things, so
racist stuff, white supremacist stuff. Doesn't make sense. But let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into it, guys. Smash the like button right now. Hit subscribe right now if you're watching this video. It's about to get Liddy 3 Titty. Let's go. Wait. Let's fix our quality. Quality of the video. Here we go. So Doja Cat just entered her career. Let's go. Oh no! What was that?
oh
Yo, that's not a good start.
yeah.
What was that whole thing, Doja? You are on live stream, and you're like an artist that's popping. What are you doing?
She's doing what celebrities do. Number one in the charts.
Whoa. If Say So hits number 1, I'll show you guys my boobs really hard. She's joking, probably. She gotta be joking.
Yeah.
Little did Doja's fans know the song would actually end up on number 1 and that Doja wouldn't live up to her promise.
I just realized I have to show my boobs real hard. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I did play you. I'm not showing my boobs real hard, man.
Who does that?
Now that Doja Cat, Ariana, Camila, Cardi B, Kehlani and Nicki Minaj and Beyonce have had number ones with songs about being sexy, wearing no clothes, fucking, cheating, etc. Can I please go back to singing about being embodied, feeling beautiful by being in love even if the relationship is not perfect, or dancing for money, or whatever I want, without being crucified or saying that I'm glamorizing abuse?
Let's go. Got sunk, what? Gang sunk the dunker.
Yeah.
At this point, people were literally kissing Doja's ass. Okay. Doja ended Lana in one comment.
Lana, you got your way to the top, but she's stripping her way to the top now.
Alright, she's being a hypocrite probably.
Yeah.
But let's go. But we all know karma's a bitch. Looks like things are turning.
Wells of life, huh?
Dude, ADD just DM'd me.
This must be the group chat.
This is the group chat, bro. Who are these guys, yo?
Wait, but I see a black guy there. Isn't this guy black?
Yeah, this is the supposed white supremacist group chat, you guys. So I don't know. It's called. I don't know what it's called, right? But it's the group chat that she's a part of, and you can already see she's the only chick here. Baby, what are you doing?
Showing off some boobies.
She's the only girl here, and there's some weird looking guys. I'm not gonna lie, these niggas look like them weird dark top niggas.
Dude, ADD just DM'd me.
Who are these niggas?
Learned anything new today? And I said, yeah, I learned if you suck
Wait,
the dump.
that gem guy, doesn't he look like another one?
Like Khaled?
Yeah.
If you can't tell. Yeah. So that bit.
Yeah.
In these live chats, apparently Doja used to smoke pot, use racist slurs, and strip for white supremacists.
Right.
She used to.
Smoking and chilling. Yeah. And stripping for guys there. Good people in red here. Troll herself.
She's a troll, dude. Like, I know she's funny. I know, like, she's one of those people who, she's definitely somewhat of a troll because she's funny as hell. But white supremacy? What?
That's good.
Whoa, one of the leaked videos of the tiny chats, Doja is asking a white racist man to put beer in her
boot hole. Oh, boot hole.
Whoa.
Sir, would you feed a tube into my ass with a funnel at the end and pour all types of flavor down there?
Oh, that's But wait, gets worse.
I think that explains it. Speaking of desensitized gag reflexes, my loose lady of the night, Doja. So
Who is this clown, bro? Look at his face.
He sounds like a Schweitzer.
These ninjas are enjoying themselves, bro. Why is this girl doing this?
to the end. And only two.
Yes, Daddy?
Did she say yes, daddy?
Damn.
Doja. I'm your daddy.
Oh wow.
Your daddy's Chester.
Oh my god.
Ooh. She's literally stripping for these guys, bro. Look at this guy, dude.
Wanking, huh? This guy's like, I'm gonna wank to this one the whole night. Weird racists, huh? I guess they were OKKK with her showing off her titties and butthole.
Meanwhile, also rumors that Tiny Chat Doja would talk about her obsession with white men and how she doesn't want to be associated with her black roots.
You got some South African in you, Doja.
She never once was proud of her blackness and oftentimes would say she wishes she was white and at least she's thick and light-skinned.
But don't you feel like most of these American celebs kind of say this? Do you remember Raven Simone? She once tried to disassociate herself from being black.
I can't even focus right now.
Yeah.
I'm
It's too bright.
So hurt. Oh my god, what? That's her response. I was fixing to marry this girl, bro. What's a dindu?
A dindu. What is a dindu?
She's making fun of black victims who have been abused by police. The phrase didn't do nothing, a stylized pronunciation of didn't do nothing, is used by racist alt-right groups to mock black victims of police brutality. Didn't do nothing.
What about Trayvon? I do not know. Doja. You know, I was just starting to be a real Doja Cat fan. I'm like, yo, your daddy's from here. I used to watch your daddy growing up. That whole drama was so awesome. Yizo. I don't know what happened between her and her father. That's a story for another day. But what she did disappointed a whole race of people. This us.
Go down. Hey, let me see you go to town, babe. Go down. Hey, Doja, where the hell you going now?
Yeah.
Go down. Hey, Doja, but I am not white. Go down. Hey, Doja, why are you taking beers up there? Go down. Hey, oh, Doja,
That had Doja. Yo guys, so let us know, what do you think about this, huh? Would you still support somebody who doesn't support us? Is our music only for white people? Not specifically just white people. White supremacists. Yeah, so let us know down below in the comments, what do you think is possibly wrong with this poor black child?
Yeah, guys, let us know in the comments, yo. This is messed up because I was really into Doja Cat.
Yeah.
She's cute as hell. She's fun as hell, and she's very talented. She sings, raps, her writings. You know, she's cool as hell. So this is devastating for me, and I'm sure a lot of other people and fans of Doja. But let's show our support for one another and solidarity for one another by liking and subscribing to this channel, and hopefully we can all overcome this. But we'll see you in the next video.
Yes.
Thanks for tuning in.
Peace out.